All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So phase in. Phase in. Slowly introduce something. Phase in. I will phase in the new technology. We will phase in the new ideas over time. Yeah. They want to phase in the new people next week. They want to start to phase in the new people. Yeah. I slowly phased in the new methods and techniques. Yeah, slowly, bit by bit. Not all at once. Just slowly. Yes. Yes, definitely. We want to phase in the new ideas. I phased it in slowly because too much change all at once would have been too much. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We phased it in over the past year. Every day we change something, a little by little. Yeah. I phase in new ideas over time so I can test the waters. Make sure everything works. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. I am slowly phasing it in. Yeah, because you see, I have a lot of ideas, but I will phase them in one by one over time. Not all at once. That will be too many differences, changes, all at once, just bit by bit. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So the plan is to start phasing it in after spring. Yeah. So in the spring, I will start to phase in new ideas, technology, and methods. Yes. Rather than just changing everything all at once. No, just change it bit by bit. Phase in the ideas. Phase in the new technology. Gently. Not all at once. Not all at once, just gently. Noticeable changes. We want barely noticeable changes. So we will phase it in slowly. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use phase in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.